specific sheets or range in the Google Sheets. So if you want to prevent others from editing your tab or your sheets in here or your range, you can just follow these steps right here. For example, I want to protect this tab sheets. You can just click on the tab sheets in here and right click, and there will be this option protect sheets. You can just tap on that, and here you can enter a description if you want to. And here, this is the sheets that I want to protect, the 27 Jan. And here you can just click on set permissions, and this is what you are going to do. You can show a warning when editing this range, or you can just restrict other who can edit this range. So only me can edit this range. You can just tap on done after that, and now the changes is saved, so the sheets will be protected. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.